Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably, with seats that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. Down in the middle, you have a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, as well as 2 fold-out cup holders. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip information, your driver assistance settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen, and you can also go into your service information and other stats. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth capable, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a compartment here for more storage. Moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And you even have another lockable compartment underneath there for more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.